BHEL is set to announce its audited Q4 and full year FY26 financial results today, May 4th, 2026. The Board of Directors meeting will also consider a final dividend recommendation for the fiscal year. As a Maharatna PSU and India's leading power equipment manufacturer, BHEL's performance is a key indicator for the capital goods and energy sector. Gurdeep Singh, CMD of NTPC Limited and Northeastern Electric Power Corporation Limited, recently interacted with executive trainees undergoing orientation at the Power Management Institute. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation celebrated its 32nd Foundation Day at Bharat Mandapam, marking another milestone in India's urban mobility journey. The event was attended by Rekha Gupta, Chief Minister of Delhi, and Tokhan Sahu, Minister of State for Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, India's largest engineering and manufacturing PSU, declared its audited standalone and consolidated financial results for the quarter and year ended March 31, 2026. The company reported a 154% year-on-year surge in quarterly net profit to 1,283 crore rupees. The Ministry of Railways, Railway Board, has approved the deputation of Sandeep Kumar, currently serving as CSTE/Planning, Southern Railway, to RailTel Corporation of India Limited as Executive Director Technology at Chennai. NTPC Green Energy Limited, a subsidiary of NTPC Limited, has invited domestic competitive bids for setting up a hydrogen refueling station under the Green Hydrogen Mobility Project at Kandla, Gujarat. The hydrogen refueling station will integrate with a 210 kg per day electrolyzer system supplied by the project owner. Hindustan Copper Limited has informed stock exchanges about a series of ongoing litigations and arbitration matters that could have financial implications for the company in compliance with SEBI's listing obligations and disclosure requirements (LODR) regulations. Shares of Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will be in focus after the Defence PSU informed stock exchanges about an upcoming board meeting scheduled for Thursday, May 14, 2026, to consider the company's audited financial results for the quarter and financial year ended March 31, 2026. In a significant engineering milestone, all 5 precast pre-stressed heavy portal beams, girders, have been successfully launched over the Ahmedabad-Vadodara railway line in Maninagar for Mumbai-Ahmedabad bullet train project within just 22 days. Mr. Praveer Kumar Srivastava has taken over as the Managing Director of Mahanagar Gas Limited with effect from 30 April 2026. Mr. Srivastava brings with him over 3 decades of rich and diverse experience at GAIL India Limited, where he has held several critical leadership roles across operations, strategy, and business development.